Alright guys, part 2, couple of updates. There's a few differences in the circuit. We'll go over that when I do the write-up. Link will be in the description. If you didn't get to this video from the write-up itself, the link is in the description to the write-up. So, this is the drive mode memory module, and its purpose is to remember exactly what drive mode you were in before you turned off the car last, and input that 5 seconds after startup. Now, that time is adjustable depending on how you want it. I chose 5 seconds because sometimes, I'll press accessory, not fully turn on the car. Besides the point. It's set for 5 seconds right now. Anyways, so let's get on to the demonstration. So as you can see, the car is off. The last thing I had set was comfort mode. I'm not going to actually start the engine itself. I'm just going to go ahead and put it into on position to demonstrate this. So now, as you can see, the drive mode does switch over to sport. It's a little bit of a bug with how the grounding works and how the circuit is set up. Essentially, it causes it to kind of accidentally turn it one to the right. Now, if you're just looking to stick it in sport mode at all times, then there's ways to do that without one of these complicated circuits. This is a little bit more advanced. So, we're in comfort, as you can see. So we're going to switch it to sport. And then we're going to turn the car off. We turn the car on. The car defaults to comfort. The bug switches it to sport. And because sport is our goal today, we just ignore that. So, moving on. We're going to switch it to custom. Okay, drive mode is custom. Turn the car off. Turn the car back on. And it switches over to custom all by itself. So let's switch it. We're going to go over, 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 over. So we're in smart. Okay. We're going to turn the car off. We're going to turn the car back on. We're going to push the buttons the right way to turn the car back on. And you can see the drive mode switched over to smart. And I pointed down here to kind of show you that there's no tricks going on here. I'm not pushing that button. I wouldn't have put all these wires in place just for some video tricks. So it will still remember the modes that the car remembers by default. So we'll put it in eco. Turn the car off. Turn the car back on. Now, remember, the car automatically remembers when it's in eco mode. Therefore, the bug we're having that causes it to basically, when the Arduino is powered up, it has ground to the stinger. Now, no matter how I set this up, that is going to trigger the clockwise motion of the drive mode once. So when I turn it on normally, it'll go to sport mode. When I turn it on to, while in eco, it goes to comfort. So it's either comfort or eco when it starts up. 5 seconds later, it triggers. It compensates for this with an offset. You'll see that in the coding if you look at the write-up. And then it will set the correct mode. So that's my little demonstration of the drive mode memory module. I am working on simplifying this as much as I can, but I actually got it working. So here it is. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.